So we're going to start to ink this zombie cat head that I did. I'm using a Pigma Micron 03 pen, mainly because it's got a nice fine line. I'd like to try and get some more different style Pigma Microns, like some brush pens eventually. But for now these are doing great, although I can imagine they'll be running out soon. I'll have to buy some more. So we're trying to ink this design more, and we're going to do a colouring video as well, but we'll do that separately, mainly so I can collect it into one big video later on, because I still like doing them styles of videos off and on. Try and incorporate more detail as I'm going along, just by following the pencil lines that I've done previous. Inking the illustration though just makes it more permanent. That's why I like inking drawings. We'll probably get some maybe a finer line pen on some of the hairs and stuff like that of the cat. A mixture of different hairs here and there and things like that. Apologies if you hear some outside noise, because I've got the window open because it's absolutely boiling in here, you know. So if you hear people just going whoop whoop, you know, they are in fact idiots, but I'll just let it slide for now. Nah, I'm bothered. As long as you can just you know, I can focus on this, and I can, and that's all that matters. Yeah, I'll be using some thinner pens as we go along with this inking process, because I found that it'll really add to the overall design. Just want to get the main sort of outline and things like that, and all this speckled blood drawn in. And really I just wanted to sort of ink this, and I will be colouring it, mainly just to clear up the drawing, because I felt that leaving this drawing hanging in that other drawing video that I did with just the pencil drawing, I don't think that would have been right. So I wanted to work on it a bit more and sort of create more of just an extra layer to this drawing. Could have left it, but I didn't want to. When you're inking, you know, if you don't press down too hard, you can do thin lines anywhere. like that, and just, you know, draw the line real quickly across it, so you can start to draw lots of hairs, and quite thin hairlines, which is what you're ready, oh, excuse me, want to achieve anyway. We'll just do the lines down this side of the face and maybe work our way up to the ear. So we're working on this drawing and it's turning out okay actually. At first I wasn't going to stick with this drawing, I was maybe going to try and draw a different drawing, but sometimes it's best to stick with your drawings and see them through. Then you'll know by the end if you did need to sketch again or sketch something, or you know, it's always a good idea to try and work on your drawings. So there's lots of inclines that we can try and work our way into this. And notice I'm trying to change the sort of direction of some of these lines just to show that the face and the side of the face goes there, and you know, it's just a way of trying to work with the hairs to shape the face. Pretty much what I did in the pencil sketch sort of stage. I'm going to make that sort of thicker so we know that it ends there and then the face begins there, and do the same on the other side. Lots of fine hairs here. So really I didn't really need that thinner pen. So now we just have to sort of change the direction on here from there, you know, like again, just to show that the face goes up that way and that way. Found that when you do these quick lines, sometimes the inclines don't go the way you want, but it's one of them things, unfortunately. But the overall effect still looks good enough, so that's why I still do that. This ear, maybe, don't know where to do some extra blood here and there, because it's been like bitten off. Getting all the hairs this side. Draw a little fly there. I always draw a little fly on top of like zombie type heads. And then I've got some of these like stripe things, part of the cat design. I don't want to go overboard. So we can just sort of mark them in quite quickly. Some slight hairs here. Of course this eye we have to finish. From now on it's just little hair details that we can add. Here and there. Of course the whiskers, which I almost forgot about. They're just like lines outwards. Like 4 on each side. Tiny little micro hairs here and there, but you get the idea with that. It's come together more as a drawing. We had some shading on the ear there, which the shading actually looks like lots of hairs. Yeah, you could go on with it and, you know, we'll do a colouring stage, well, obviously, like in a later video. But yeah, it's coming together quite nice. So I just thought I'd do that. So I'll see you in the next video. Cheers now!